The Pink Panthers look and spirit was our inspiration for this renovation. To create a variety of spaces, we took advantage of two most important features of this apartment: its high ceilings and the abundant natural light entering from the sides as well as the skylight. I'm Jérémie Brault. I'm an architect, and together with Ania Brault, we are co-founders of Labopop. We met the owner Caroline when working on another project in the same building. We call this project La Bonbonnière, which means candy box in French, and is a female version of a Bachelorette. We aimed to create a super feminine space that was comfortable and could feel like a retreat for Caroline. The apartment is in the 12th arrondissement in the Quartier d'Aligre area in Paris. It's in a very central part of Paris. The neighborhood's identity is rooted in the Aligre produce market. Right across the street is the Square Trousseau, a tree-lined square surrounded by lovely shops and restaurants. The building is in the late Haussmann style and was constructed in 1907. The top floor apartment made Caroline feel like she was in the sky, living in the clouds, so she chose a pastel pink wallpaper to add to that feeling. When Caroline bought the apartment, she did some minor renovations and lived there for a while before realizing that a complete renovation was required. There was already a very low mezzanine that took up a lot of space in the living room. First, we tore down the bathroom to clear out the space. We changed the original plan by bringing the kitchen into the living room space and moving the bathroom and toilet to a larger room with some natural light and ventilation, and took a closet between the bedroom and kitchen. Finally, we repositioned the mezzanine to the center of the apartment above the kitchen and wardrobe.
This episode is brought to you by Odoo. Odoo is an all-in-one management software to start and run your very own business. With Odoo's sales app, you can create clean, professional, and interactive quotations instantly with their quotation builder. Let's create a new quote by selecting a customer from our database. We can then select products and quantity from our catalogue. When it's ready to send, Odoo can compose and send an email, or you can print it out using the PDF file. Odoo lets you customize the design of your quote too, like adding your own logo, header, and footer. You can also save multiple templates for different types of customers. Close deals faster with Odoo. The first app is free forever with unlimited hosting and support. It also includes a free custom domain for the first year. Click on the link in the description and try it today.
The entrance to the apartment is open, but defined by a pillar. Custom cabinetry was created to hold keys, coats, and shoes, as well as cleaning supplies and the heating. Many French people are very particular about their wine, and because we were renovating the space from scratch, it was easy to integrate a wine cellar into the space without it feeling like an eyesore. The living room shares an open space with a dining and kitchen area, making it feel like a large, comfortable space. The space has an amazing height of up to 3.5 meters, as well as windows on both sides and above, so it is nice and bright with views of the square nearby. We installed new wood floors and painted them white. This gave us a nice neutral base. The coffee table was something she already owned and really liked. It ended up informing many design decisions in the space. The main feature in the space is the bookshelf. It was originally a completely open shelving system, which we decided to update. We painted the rest in pink and added an extra shelf in the middle to make better use of the space for all of Caroline's books. Caroline is a collector at heart, so giving this apartment tons of storage was a big priority. The L-shaped kitchen is very large for a small apartment. This was one of the main requests from Caroline. We made sure that kitchen had plenty of storage for all her things. The kitchen includes an integrated fridge and dishwasher hidden behind the laminated doors. The upper cabinet doors are mirrored, which also helps to blend them into the space. The quartz countertop was chosen to match Caroline's coffee table. Caroline also had a collection of prints by American photographers that she greatly appreciated and wanted us to preserve. Since we didn't have many free walls to showcase them, we decided to use them as facades for 3 custom-made storage pieces for her glasses. We chose to use drawers for all the storage so everything can be accessed easily and nothing is lost at the back. The round table can accommodate many guests while taking up a bit less space and making the room more comfortable to move around. After the renovations, Caroline realized she needed extra storage to tuck away her work things. We added a storage piece in an awkward corner under the sloping roof using leftover material from the bathroom countertops. The bedroom is located under the mezzanine. The bedroom walls were painted entirely pink at Caroline's strong request. This creates a fully immersive experience, allowing Caroline to fall asleep and wake up surrounded by her favorite color. An IKEA cabinet was painted the same color as the walls to give it a built-in look. We actually left behind a few cans of paint, so Caroline can turn even more of her items pink in the future. Her latest addition is a side table that fits perfectly in the corner of the bedroom. The bedroom door has glass partition that let light through. For more privacy, we added curtains for when she has guests. A single L-shaped piece wraps around the bathroom, hiding a washing machine and tons of storage. The countertop is a ceramic marble, and it was one of the first things chosen for this renovation. We complemented the round storage mirror with Hollywood-feeling light fixtures from the brand Zangra. We chose black metal accents to add a sense of contrast to the space. We worked hard to find a slightly more muted and warmer shade of pink that would contrast better with the countertop. The window is frosted only halfway, so that Caroline can enjoy the Paris skyline views as she showers. During the design phase, we tried several types of stairs to access the mezzanine, always very compact, but ultimately we chose a minimalist one that resembles a pool ladder. This area was kept simple, with space for a large bed for when friends and family stay over. The skylights bring in a lot of light to make this space bright and airy. It also frames a view of the starry skyline of Paris. An accent pink neon light by the brand Hey gives some ambient light to this space. There is a switch right next to the bed and another one in the kitchen for when Caroline wants to flood the space in pink at night. Finding decent housing in Paris, as in many major cities, has become increasingly difficult, and people are searching for every bit of livable space. When designing small spaces, we seek simple solutions that enhance their quality by first considering how they are used and how light illuminates them. It's also essential to bring comfort, both spatial and thermal, to homes that were built over a century ago.
Sign up to our newsletter for subscriber-only content and exclusive offers. Visit nevertoosmall.com/subscribe.